Hey guys, Chris here with Worksport truck bed covers. In this video, we're going to show you how to properly adjust a slam latch and lock strike on your AL3, AL4 hard folding truck bed cover. The only tools needed today will be a 10mm wrench and a Phillips head screwdriver. Let's get to it. Step one, take your Phillips head screwdriver, loosen up the screws on the bottom of the slam latch, a quarter turn, just enough to where the slam latch is going to move. Shut your cover. Next step, we are going to loosen up these nuts on the lock strike to adjust the lock strike down. Use your wrench. We're going to loosen these. Make sure this lock strike sits down and it is flush. With your left hand, you're going to apply a little bit of pressure to ensure the cover is setting with pressure down on the bed cap. And we will tighten the nuts. After your slam latch has been adjusted along with your lock strike, move to the outside of the truck, lift up the edge of the cover to ensure there's no movement. Thank you for watching today's video on how to adjust your slam latch and lock strike. If you have any questions, please give our customer service department a call at 1-888-554-8789 or email our customer service at customerservice@worksport.com. Thank you and have a great day.